In today's video, I will show you how to download and play Who Wants to Be a Murderer. Firstly, go to Google and search for itch.io and click first link. In this website, search for Who Wants to Be a Murderer and press enter. And now in search result, click on game itself. I will leave link in description to get to this page. In game download page, you can get all the information about this game, about all the features, controls, and everything else. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see download now button. Click on it. Now in this pop-up, you can choose to donate some money to game creator, or you can simply click no thanks. Just take me to the downloads, and you will get this game for free. In this page, select download file for your operation system. I'm using Mac, so choose Mac download. Now download will start. After locating file, I just gone unzip it and double click to start playing. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Contact is interrupted.